Hi, today we're going to be discussing how to install the COLIBRI VR package from GitHub. Now first you're going to need Git, so if you don't have it on your computer you can download it here. And then you're going to need the Unity game engine, so same, if you need it you can get here. And when you download Unity, you'll download the Unity Hub. You can add a version of the Unity game engine and create a new 3D project. And so from there, you can open the Package Manager window. And the Package Manager window is going to let you add some new packages using the plus button over here, and you can add a package from Git URL. And the Git URL for Colibri can be found at this address. You can just click on the clone or download button, copy to your clipboard, and then paste the address in the package URL over here. And then this will load the Colibri VR package into your new Unity project.